Good afternoon to our friends from the UAAP and our friends from the media. These are my guys here around me. This is a very short message from me. First of all, allow me to thank the UAAP leadership for the trust that they have placed on Signal for the past 5 years as the official broadcast partner of the UAAP. We have done many things together over the past 5 years, from expanding our coverage of the games, covering not just senior or collegiate events, but also junior high school events, to making sure we deliver the widest reach that we can for the games. UAAP is not just available on our free-to-air platform, One Sports, but also on our exclusive UAAP Pay TV channel, the UAAP Varsity channel. For the mobile-first younger audiences, we have made your brand available via the most loved OTT sports streaming service in the country, Pilipinas Live. And this platform allows us to reach not just the Filipino mobile consumers in the Philippines, but also Filipinos outside the country. Clearly, together we have achieved much, but there is a lot more to do. So thank you for the next 5 years of broadcast partnership. We are excited to do more with you and to build more with you for the UAAP seasons 89 to 93. Starting with the expansion of Signal's coverage outside of the marquee sports events like men's basketball, women's volleyball, and the cheer dance competition, to more UAAP events including men's volleyball, women's basketball, softball, baseball, men's football, street dance, and of course something that is very, very close to my heart as co-founder of the PESO, or the Philippine Esports Organization, which is the NSA of the Philippines. We will continue to support UAAP Esports as part of the UAAP calendar. We in Signal are proud to deliver the stories of our young student athletes to every Filipino, not just here in the Philippines but globally. And we have the UAAP to thank for this opportunity to do so. We hope that in our own simple way, we can build the athletes, give to them the exposure they need to grow, and inspire our next generation of student athletes. Looking forward to working together and growing together for the upcoming UAAP seasons 89 to 93.
Recall, we launched this collaboration during the height of the pandemic, the greatest global crisis in recent history. And where we are now, we face challenges and celebrated milestones together. Signal has been a constant partner in helping us innovate and bring collegiate sports closer to every Filipino. As we take this next step, we're excited to strengthen this union even more. This isn't just about continuity, it's about deepening our shared mission to highlight the talent of our student athletes, build stronger platforms for their growth, and continue inspiring the next generation of champions. Maraming salamat po, mag-ingat po tayo at naway huwag po tayong bahain.